If you want to take a screenshot on your Google Pixel 10, then what you can do is you can, for example, use the combination of two buttons, the power button and the volume down button. If you just press both of these buttons at the same time, you will easily capture a full screenshot. And this is one of the ways. In addition to that, you can also open any app that you wish to take the screenshot of. So let's say I'm gonna open, let's say a Play Store. And then if you go to background apps, below the preview, we have the screenshot button as well. So you can tap over here in order to take the screenshot like this. Last but not least, you can also create a backtap gesture that allows you to take screenshot. So let's open settings. Now over here, we're gonna scroll down to system, and then we're gonna go to gestures. In here, we have the quick tap to start actions. We want to enable this option and then set it to take screenshot. So now you can double tap the back of the phone. Most likely you want to tap on the spot where we have the Google logo in order to take the screenshot, the full screenshot, of course. After taking a screenshot, we can tap on this pen icon in order to, for example, crop the screenshot so that we can have a partial screenshot. And if you have opened an app or a browser where you can scroll, for example, the Google app, then over here, if you make a screenshot, then you can also perform the long screenshot or scrolling screenshot by tapping on these two arrows that we have over here. And then we can extend the screenshot to the selected spot. And then we can save it. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.